Hello traders, welcome to Successful Trading. Today it's September 20th, 2021. It is currently 2:15 Pacific time, 5:15 Eastern time. This video is another example on how to make 1000% and today even 2000% trading QQQ options. So let me get you in a secret. So if you haven't watched the video that we made last Wednesday, please go ahead and watch it. It's going to be here. If you missed the video that we made this past Saturday, recapping how we traded QQQ for big gains on Friday, again, watch that video. By then, you will have an idea that this is not a fluke. This is a pattern on here. Just like a trader was asking me this past weekend, hey, how often does this happen? I can actually show you a little secret here. This is our Gangster strategy channel in here. So this morning, so this is today at 5:56. So this trade is the one that we were taking on the 364 puts on QQQ after the market gap down over 1%. So I'm not going to waste your time on here. Let's go ahead and see that in here, though we didn't get an entry, the chart actually set itself for a nice bearish trend on here on the 15-minute chart of TradingView. So below we were posting lower lows, so we were able to enter this trade. You could have entered this trade for 34 cents, right? I actually went lower than that, 26 cents, but for me, my entry was 26 cents. And look at how high this thing went, $2.96. So clearly being able to generate a 10-bagger on there. This was really the bearish trend for the majority of the day for you to be able to make a nice, cool 1000% on there. But now, imagine that actually our beloved strategy, end of the day on QQQ. If you don't know about that, I will teach you that here on the Successful Trading. So at the end of the day, this is what transpires, right? So this is this. Look at the timestamp here. So let's zoom in. The timestamp is 12:15 Pacific time, meaning 3:15 Eastern time. And in 45 minutes, our good friend QQQ managed to go from, let's go, let me give you the value on here, and then I will show you the option chart for that one. So the stock managed to go from a low of 360, let's say 361, all the way to 365.92. So for that one, we used, let's show you the chart on here of the option, if I may. I have it in the background, sorry about that. Okay, so here's the chart just for the closing on here. So what's this option? QQQ 364 calls this time, yeah? And look at how low it was. Exactly at this time on here, yeah? After here, you will know, we will teach you this about, if you don't know about charting, definitely this is a support level here for an hour where the stock is consolidating, and then after this candle, it pops, yeah? So this pop here, you could have gotten this contract for, let's see, what's the time here? Okay, so 15:30 there, you could have gotten this stock, this option even as low as 8 cents. Yeah, this is the time here. So, and then the price, it's here. So you see my open, high, low for that candle, and look how high it went, all the way, all the way to, what's the high? $1.90. So imagine entering contract for 8 cents, even let's say 10 cents, and then closing them at 190. That's a 20 bagger, my friends, 20 times your initial investment. So I've been watching videos out there for traders who showcase, hey, how to make money. For us, we are making it real on here. And the secret is definitely in our teaching on how to be able to generate consistent profit. This is my Discord. So after you binge watch again the videos that we made, we didn't make a video last Monday. That's why I'm making a video this Monday, because that's when you guys didn't see that, but we did recap it on the weekend one, right? So the video that we made on Wednesday on QQQ, let me actually show you that here on our YouTube channel, just in case you may be wondering on here, and we will be closing on that. So here was the video from last September the 15th. Can you see that? September the 15th. This video was published on here. If you are tired, what's the title of the video? Let's give the people the title of the video. 1300% day trading QQQ option on expiration day. Today was expiration day again. And then this was the recap here over the weekend. Multiple 1000 profits on multiple option trading strategies. So go to Successful Trading, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you soon. Bye-bye.